Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Hub Guide, and this video I'll show you how to check group admin on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Find the group icon and select groups. Here you can explore various types of groups. Now click on Discover and select the type of group that you want to join. Choose Join Group button. Then click on View Group. Click on the group name to see the information of group members. Scroll down and then choose to see all members. Now you can see the admin of the group as well as its members clearly. And that's how you can check group admin on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. And also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.